Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. You guys better not bash me. I'm in the same clothes that I was in yesterday because I went to bed in it. So yes, don't bash me. No, today I'm back with a really nice video. And I want you guys, to get down in the comments below and answer this question for me. So this question is, would you allow your partner to go out on a date, like say a cruise around the world, with certain restrictions? Would you still allow them to do that? Whether it be male or female. Males, would you allow your female partner to go out on a date with a stranger with certain restriction? And these restriction could be like you put a little secret camera on them, or you wiretap them so you hear the conversations. Would you be comfortable knowing that your partner is, in a room with somebody sleeping for a month straight, on a ship enjoying themselves? Do you have, that enough trust within yourself to say that, alright, listen, I'm a man, I'm just man enough, and she can go out and enjoy herself because I can't, go out with her on that cruise ship, but I'm the man, I'm allowing her to enjoy herself because she deserves it. Listen, I know females are petty, I know females are jealous, men are jealous too, but females, would you allow your male counterpart to go out with a nice female on a date? What would your restriction be? What would be allowed and what wouldn't be allowed, and how would you feel within yourself to know that, alright, I allow my partner to go with that person, go on the cruise? Males, it's the same thing for you. How would you feel on the inside? How would you look at it? Would you trust them afterwards, after giving them permission? Would you trust them? Or are you the type of person to say, no, listen, this is nonsense. What are you trying to do? What? Like listen to me, what are you trying? Are you trying to leave me for this person? Why do you want to go out with them and stuff like that? So, in the comments below, give me your honest opinion. Let me know how you feel about it. And just share. Let us have a conversation. Let's just have a discussion. I feel really good about this topic because I was up 3 o'clock thinking about it, and I'm saying, alright, I'm going to give my subscribers, my gingerbread and jelly bean, this video so they can, comment below and think. But, me personally, I'm jealous. I'd probably allow my partner to, go on the cruise ship, for a month. With me, of course. No way, going out with no stranger for a month. You see, but that's just me. I don't know if other people are more relaxed and confident enough to allow their partner to go out on a month with a total stranger. But yeah, that's just me. That's just my take on it, And it's the same. I wouldn't allow her, she wouldn't allow me. So, unless she's there. So, yeah, in the comments below, leave your comments, leave your feedback. Let me know how you feel about the video. Give it a thumbs up so other people can watch it as well. And remember to subscribe and share for more. Alright, this is going to be the thumbnail. So this is the shape and this is the map right here. And I'm smiling. Alright. So remember, subscribe and share to JVLOGS. I'm out. Ching 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 ching.